This is the Origin 800, the world's first swappable modular power station, which is meant to reinvent what you think a power station should be, and honestly, their idea was absolutely genius. Instead of having a single power station, they thought of a clever modular system with detachable power stacks that work independently. So in this video, I'm gonna go through the 5 main features that make this thing great. But first, starting with the specs, the Origin 800 can output 800 watts of power, which is super impressive for its size, having 13 total output ports, and it accepts charging from various different methods like a 100 watt USB-C fast charging input, a 200 watt solar charging input, and a UPS input, which I'll explain in this video. Now getting into the main feature number 1, we have the main power hub, which is loaded with 288 watt hours of battery power, which is enough to fully charge a new 15-inch MacBook Air over 4 times. On the back, it has 2 regular AC outlets with up to 800 watts of power, so you can plug in various appliances or anything else, while on the front, it has a cool display that shows you the battery life, charging input, and output power, and more. You also have 4 USB ports, 2 of them USB-A with up to 18 watts of output power, and 2 USB-C ports with up to 100 watts, which has a ton of power so you can fast charge even the biggest MacBooks. You then have 2 130 watt DC outputs, one being a car output for devices like inflatable air pumps, and one that can accept things like laptop chargers or things like electric four-wheelers, which our kids love to use. But that's not the best part about the Origin 800, which brings us into feature number 2. Unlike basically every other power station out there, this one is totally unique because it comes with these power stacks that it recharges through electrical contacts, so they can be used independently as separate power banks, each with 86.4 watt hours of battery, which is enough to fully charge an iPhone 14 Pro 7 times. Each stack comes with a 60 watt USB-C port for fast charging and recharging away from the power hub, and the power dock at the top is really cool because it comes with this handle and 4 extra USB-A ports that support 18 watt charging, and it comes with a 10 watt wireless charging pad on the top. Each one also comes with an LED ring, which can also show you your battery life by double pressing the side button, which is very convenient. But the most impressive part of all is feature number 3, which is the ability to lock and unlock the stacks. Each stack comes with an electrically controlled mechanism that can lock so that they're fully interconnected, so you can use the handle at the top to carry the entire thing around. When you place the power stacks onto the main battery, they automatically lock into place so they can start recharging, and then to unlock them, just hold the side button and bam, it unlocks, allowing you to lift either a single power stack, 2, or all of them at once depending on how much battery power you need. But I personally prefer splitting them into solo stacks, which allows for many different locations where people can charge up their devices. Now getting into feature number 4, this also comes with a UPS feature, which keeps power uninterrupted in the case of a power outage, making it perfect for connecting computers for important work like editing files, or best of all, it's super important for CPAP machines, making it always useful even when you're not in a camping environment. And then finally, for feature number 5, we have the built-in AI assistant that's voice controlled, that allows you to do things like activate the LED lights and control the AC and DC ports, making it really convenient without having to walk up and physically control them. Now, since this is a pre-production prototype unit, there were a couple of issues with charging and unlocking and locking the pucks, but they should all be ironed out by the time this thing launches, including different accessories like a lamp or modular cup cooler as well. So overall, the Origin 800 is an absolutely great power station that takes it to the next level with these swappable battery packs, making it so much more useful than any other power station on the market. So if you're interested in checking this out, go ahead and use the links down below to check out their Indiegogo page for the YOOATOM Origin 800. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.